You guys, I am so excited. Let me cut this open. Bear with me, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Alrighty. What do you guys think this is? Hold on, let me go ahead and pause it so that way I can open it. Okay. Look what we have. OMG, she is gorgeous. This is the large Braided Rowan by Coach. It just came out on the 1st of October. Look at this tassel. It is so pretty. The color is beautiful. I don't have anything that's in this color brown. I'm really not fond of bags in the brown shades, but this right here, I cannot pass this one up. She is so beautiful. Now, I did have to get this ordered when I was at the store because they didn't have any at my location in Orlando. So they did have to order it for me, but they did have the minis there. And the minis were a little bit too small for me. I like a medium to a large bag. So that's the reason why I got this size. Okay, so I have went ahead and took the rest of the wrapping off. And this is what she looks like. She is so beautiful. I forgot this piece, but yeah. And in this bag right here, I have a wallet. Let me try to grab this. I did get this one right here to match. They had a few different styles, but I got that for this brown zipper part, like the fabric. I felt like it went better than with the black leather that they had on some of the other ones. So I went ahead and went with this style because I wanted it to blend better. And I think I got a perfect match. I might go back and exchange this one for the large one. But I haven't made my decision on what I wanted to do with this one just yet. But for now, this is what I have. You guys, please forgive me for the format of this video. This is my first time doing a unboxing for a purse, and I think I might incorporate these into my content. I'm just not really sure which way I'm going to go about it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. You have a snap pocket right there, and then you have a zip one or a zipper one in the back there. There's the creed. It is very roomy, which I do love that. And here's the braided detail up close. I'll pan over to the tassel, which I'll try to straighten this out at some point. And this is the strap detail. It does come apart, like this part detaches from this side. So I had to put it back in there because once I tried to detach the little plastic piece that was with this, it fell apart. But I just had to put it back into one of the holes and slide this up there to secure it. But yeah, you guys, this is the new Braided Rowan in the size large. When I purchased it on the 1st, it was $2.19, I believe. I'm not sure if they have it right now on the Coach Outlet website. And this was $79, I believe. And this is the medium zip around. And that's the back. Let me go ahead and unzip it. Try to do this one-handed so that way you guys can see the inside. Sorry, y'all. But that is the inside. As you can see, there's a lot of card slots. And then you also have a pocket right here, and then you have an area where you can put your change. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me go ahead and turn this back around. And if you guys have purchased this or purchased anything from the October 1st collection, please let me know what you got down below. I was considering the rose, the red and black rose Rowan, the large Rowan. I don't think it has sold out, but I'm really thinking about getting it. I'm not sure yet. But so far, I am very pleased with this bag. It is so beautiful. But yeah, you guys, thank you for watching my video. Take care and God bless. Bye.